Welcome everyone, I've installed the Duolingo app and it's not on my home screen. To fix this, you're going to swipe down from the middle and then you're going to search for the app which is missing. So in my case, Duolingo. And the final step, and I'll cover how to prevent this happening in the future, but you're going to long press on the app and then drag and drop and it's back on the home screen. The reason why your apps aren't showing on your home screen is inside of the settings. So head over to the home page of settings and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see home screen. And this is the culprit, newly downloaded apps. This is probably set to app library only. Set this one back to add to home screen. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.